Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have truly important and potentially life-changing news to talk about, especially if you or someone close to you relies on Social Security, SSI, SSDI, or VA benefits. There's a new bill moving through Congress called the Social Security Fairness Act, and it's making headlines all over the country. This isn't just another piece of legislation that gets talked about and then disappears. This one could actually pass and bring real money directly into your pocket. Imagine getting an average increase of $400 every month. That's not a one-time payment, but a steady, predictable increase that could help with groceries, rent, medical bills, or even just enjoying life a bit more without the constant worry about whether your check will cover all your expenses. Many seniors and disabled Americans have been fighting for something like this for years, and finally, it seems like lawmakers are listening. So what exactly is the Social Security Fairness Act? Why is it causing so much buzz? And who really stands to benefit the most? Let's break it all down in plain, simple terms so everyone can understand exactly what's happening and what it means for you or your loved ones. First, it's important to understand the problems this act is trying to solve. There are two big issues in the current Social Security system: the Windfall Elimination Provision, WEP, and the Government Pension Offset, GPO. These might sound like complicated legal terms, but the truth is, they've been unfairly cutting benefits for many hardworking people. The WEP affects people who worked in jobs where they didn't pay into Social Security, such as certain government jobs, but who also worked long enough in other jobs to qualify for Social Security benefits. Instead of getting the full amount they earned, these people have seen their benefits unfairly reduced. The GPO affects people who receive a government pension and are also eligible for Social Security survivor or spousal benefits. Instead of getting the support they deserve, their benefits have been slashed, sometimes down to zero. Teachers, police officers, firefighters, and many public service workers have been especially affected, and it has felt like a betrayal after decades of service. Imagine dedicating your whole life to educating children, protecting your community, or saving lives, only to find out in retirement that the government is reducing the benefits you thought you had earned fair and square. That's exactly the frustration that has been bubbling up for years among those impacted by these provisions. The Social Security Fairness Act aims to fix this once and for all by completely repealing both the Windfall Elimination Provision and the Government Pension Offset. That means these cuts would finally disappear and people would get the full amount they were supposed to receive. But that's not all. The act also includes a broader increase in monthly payments for many Social Security recipients, SSI beneficiaries, SSDI recipients, and veterans who receive VA benefits. This average increase of $400 per month would be transformative. Think about how many seniors are living on fixed incomes that barely cover rent and medication. For them, an extra $400 could mean the ability to buy healthier food, pay for a necessary surgery, or simply not have to choose between heating their home and eating dinner. For disabled individuals, it could mean better access to therapy, equipment, or treatments that improve quality of life. And for veterans, it could mean more support after years of service and sacrifice. So why is Congress finally taking action now? The answer lies in the reality of today's economy. Inflation has driven up the cost of everything: groceries, gas, rent, medical care, utilities. And Social Security's annual cost of living adjustment, COLA, has not kept up. While COLA increases are supposed to help benefits match inflation, many seniors feel like they're falling further behind every year. They feel the pinch when they go to the grocery store and realize that prices have jumped again, or when they see their utility bills skyrocket. Lawmakers are also facing pressure from voters who are tired of empty promises and want real action. The Social Security Fairness Act has gained bipartisan support, which is rare in today's divided political climate. That means politicians on both sides of the aisle, both Republicans and Democrats, see the urgency and understand that seniors, disabled Americans, and veterans need help now, not in 5 or 10 years. Of course, even with strong support, no bill is guaranteed to pass quickly. The legislative process can be slow, and there are often delays, debates, and amendments. It might take months or even longer before the Social Security Fairness Act is officially signed into law. But the momentum is stronger than ever, and more lawmakers are stepping up to push it forward. Now, you might be wondering what this all means for you personally. The $400 monthly increase is an average, which means some people might get a bit more, while others might get a bit less. The exact amount depends on your current benefits, your work history, and whether or not you are impacted by the WEP or GPO. It's also worth noting that this new increase would not replace the annual COLA adjustments. Those will continue as usual, and the new increase would be on top of them, giving you even more security in the face of rising living costs. However, you should also be aware of potential tax implications. Some Social Security benefits are taxable depending on your total income. With a higher benefit amount, some recipients might find that they move into a higher tax bracket or that a larger portion of their benefits becomes taxable. Medicare premiums could also be affected since they're based on income. But the overall goal is to make life easier, not harder, and most people will still see a net positive benefit even after taxes and premiums. While waiting for the law to potentially pass, it's a good idea to prepare and make sure your records are accurate. You can check your Social Security statement online to confirm that your work history and earnings have been recorded correctly. Mistakes happen more often than people realize, and even small errors can affect how much you receive. By making sure everything is in order now, you'll be ready to take full advantage of any increases in the future. Another important thing you can do right now is to make your voice heard. Call or write to your local representatives and tell them you support the Social Security Fairness Act. Politicians do pay attention when they hear from their constituents, and showing widespread support can help push the bill across the finish line faster. Share your story. Tell them how an extra $400 a month would change your life. Tell them about the sacrifices you've made, the rising costs you face, and the dignity you deserve in retirement or while living with a disability. It's also helpful to stay informed. Follow updates from trusted news sources, the Social Security Administration, and channels like this one. The more informed you are, the better you can prepare for changes and avoid misinformation. Share this information with friends and family members who might also be affected. You'd be surprised how many people don't even realize they could benefit or that changes are on the horizon. Knowledge is power, and when more people are aware, the entire community becomes stronger and better prepared. Think about the real-life impact of this act for a moment. Imagine a retired teacher who spent 40 years shaping young minds but was punished with reduced Social Security benefits because of the GPO. Now she could finally get the full amount she deserves, making her retirement more comfortable and less stressful. Or consider a disabled veteran who struggles every month to pay for medications and doctor visits. An extra $400 could mean the difference between skipping treatments and getting the care he needs to stay healthy and independent. These are real people, real stories, and real lives being affected. That's why this act matters so much and why it's so important to keep talking about it, supporting it, and pushing lawmakers to make it a reality. A common question we get is whether this increase is guaranteed. The honest answer is no, not yet. Until Congress votes and the president signs it, nothing is official. But the signs are hopeful. The act has more support now than ever before, and many lawmakers are under pressure to deliver results for seniors and disabled Americans before upcoming elections. That political motivation can help speed things along. If and when the Social Security Fairness Act passes, the changes won't happen overnight. It might take a year or two for the adjustments to fully roll out, but once they do, you could see your monthly checks increase significantly. This could give you more breathing room to cover essentials, save for emergencies, or even treat yourself to something special that you might have put off for years. Before we wrap up, let's summarize the key points one more time. The Social Security Fairness Act aims to repeal the windfall elimination provision and the government pension offset, which have unfairly reduced benefits for many public servants and others with non-covered pensions. On top of that, it proposes an average monthly increase of $400 for Social Security, SSI, SSDI, and VA beneficiaries. This increase would come in addition to the annual cost of living adjustments. While the bill has strong bipartisan support, it still needs to go through the full legislative process before it can become law. You can help by contacting your representatives, checking your Social Security records, and staying informed. The potential tax implications and Medicare premium adjustments are worth considering, but for most, the increase will provide much-needed financial relief. Please remember, this isn't just about politics or numbers on a page. It's about people, about seniors who deserve dignity in retirement, disabled Americans who need support to live independently, and veterans who have served and sacrificed for our country. Each dollar can mean better food, a safer home, better health, and less stress. Every story matters, and every voice helps move this important legislation forward. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you know who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you stay updated on the latest news about Social Security and other benefits. And if you have questions, concerns, or stories to share about how an increase like this would impact your life, please drop them in the comments below. We read every comment, and your stories inspire not only us, but also others who are going through the same struggles. Together, we can create a community of support and hope. As we wait for Congress to act, let's keep the conversation alive and make sure our voices are heard. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay hopeful, and I'll see you in the next video with more updates and tips to help you live your best, most secure life possible.